Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome to my own cruise Collision drumstick endorsement video. Who am I? Well, my name is Allon Mccall, based out of Moncton, New Brunswick, Canada. I am a drummer, amongst many things, but primarily and most importantly, I am a drummer. Right now, my greatest accomplishment, I would dare say, is the female-fronted alternative metal band called Echo 7. I've been a drummer for them for, going on 4 years, actually, helped start the band. And it's been a good run. It's been a good run. So no complaints there. Things that I love about Collision, as you can see. First off, thank you, Mr. Banks and everyone at Collision for sending me my sticks all the way from the UK. That was very nice. Just got them in the mail yesterday. So thank you so much. So far, so good. Thank you to Collision for, showing love to myself and also to my band and my music. And it's a nice validation to have a brand such as Collision, feel that I am worthy of a sponsorship. But it's not only a win for me, it's a win for my band as well and for the music that we're putting out. So thanks so much. 5 BRs. These are very nice, longer than normal sticks, which is nice if you are a guy like me who has a long wingspan. And you're forced to kind of sit back from the kit as it is. So this way I don't have to bring the cymbals and stuff as close as I would. Now the height of these, when I say longer, they're easily maybe like a ½ inch longer than a regular stick, but still a ½ inch when you're trying to play and position things in certain venues, goes a long way. So I don't have to really bring things in super tight. I can kind of give myself a bit of air when I play. The sticks are solid. They got a nice weight to them. They're nice and balanced. And they just sound good, and they sound good, and you get again, they ship right to your door, so it saves you the trouble of having to go to the store and sort the sticks and deal with the salesman and all that great stuff. Playthrough song. So for this video, I'm going to play through a track off of our last EP that we put out last September called X-Ray in Use. The single is going to be called, I think I'll do Keep From Breaking is what I'll do. That was the first single that we released off the EP. So I'm going to play through that in this video. Hope you enjoy it. And again, thank you, Collision. 5 BRs. Let's go.
taking. But if you